Deep cleaning on Dell Vostro 5515 laptop. Thank you, Reen, for trusting PTT IT solution. Deep cleaning a laptop and bringing it to a professional shop is a smart and beneficial move, especially when signs of overheating, reduced performance, unresponsive ports or keys, or visible dirt and dust appear. Professional cleaning ensures a thorough internal dust removal from components like fans, heat sinks, and vents, areas that are difficult to access without proper tools and expertise. Technicians can also replace dried thermal paste, which improves the efficiency of the CPU and GPU cooling systems. By avoiding DIY disassembly, you minimize the risk of damaging delicate internal parts and preserve any existing warranties, especially with slim or ultraboot type devices that are harder to open. A professional cleaning not only extends the laptop's overall lifespan, but also allows for early detection of issues, such as bloated batteries or failing hardware. Ideally, deep cleaning should be done once or twice a year, particularly in dusty environments or for users who rely heavily on their laptops. In conclusion, bringing your laptop to a professional for deep cleaning is a proactive way to maintain performance, prevent overheating, and avoid long-term damage. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.